Unpacking installation.
1. Connect the robot to the control cabinet with a special wire. 2. Connect the signal line of the wire feeder in the robot control cabinet to the fiber laser welding machine. 3. Insert the gas pipe of the fiber laser welding machine. 4. Connect the robot power supply, corresponding to the live line, neutral line and ground line marks on the power cord. Five. Connect the fiber laser welding machine with the automatic wire feeder. 6. Connect the power source of the fiber laser welding machine, circuit 3-phase.
Start up the machine.
1. Turn on the power supply and laser generator switch of the fiber laser welding machine. 2. Unlock the water chiller, the blue light indicates that it is ready to use. 3. If it is a 3-in-1 model, you need to switch to welding mode, and turn on FAP, gas red light in turn. 4. To set the automatic wire feeder, click Set to start the setting, click the switchable option again, and the corresponding light indicates that it can be modified. Under normal circumstances, it is only necessary to set the wire feeding speed according to different thicknesses of different materials. 5. Turn on the switch of the robot control cabinet. When the white light of the control cabinet turns on, the controller pops out the user interface and completes the startup.
Procedure of robot use.
1. Enter password 123. 2. Click on Default to select TCP1, then click on Joinchig to select World. Switch to Auto mode and turn on Motor off. 3. Press the button on the right to move the robot's 6 axes.
Programming methods for linear welding.
1. Clamp the ground line clamp, and check that the welding gun red light is on top of the welding wire. 2. Follow the steps shown to create a new program. Three. Select the newly created program, and click Load to enter the programming interface. 4. The mobile robot keeps the welding gun part in a safe and unobstructed position. 5. Click PTP to mark this location, which is the start location of the entire processor. 6. Move the robot arm directly above the workpiece, and the red dot is aligned with the position where the workpiece begins to weld. The speed of the robot can be adjusted to move more accurately to the specified position, or move quickly. Seven. Click Lin to mark this location, which is the starting point of welding. 8. Click New to create a new arc. Click step by step. Set the welding speed and return to the programming interface. 9. Move the welding gun to the second node position, and click Line to mark this position. 10. If the machining has been completed, you can add AccTek action. If you need to continue machining according to the path, use the controller again to move the welding gun to the corresponding position, and click the Line mark position. 11. Move to a safe location, and set Line to complete the programming. 12. Use the controller to turn on the automatic mode. Press the green button of the control cabinet, and the automatic mode will turn on when the green light is on. 13. Click motor off to switch to motor on. 14. Click the SIM icon, and the red dot appears to complete the operation. If you do not run the program directly without this step, the action will only be rehearsed, and the welding gun will not emit light and will not be really welded. 15. Click the controller green play button to run the program you just edited.
Circle welding mode.
1. Repeat steps 1-7 of linear programming to move the red light of the welding gun to a 1/4 circle position. 2. Select EOF in the code, and add work to mark this point, then select work in the code and click Teach 1 to confirm this operation. 3. Move to the second quarter of the circle, select work in the code, click Teach 2 to mark the point and confirm the operation. After this action is successfully added, the robot can move the root of 1/2 circle according to the content. If the whole circle needs to be processed, the for code needs to be added in the same way as above. Finally, the single step action is used to return to the starting position and set as the end point. 4. Complete steps 12-16 in the same way as line coding.